Welcome to our channel. If you want to reset your Amazon Fire Stick to factory settings, follow these step-by-step instructions to restore your device to its original state. Step 1. Navigate to the home screen of your Fire Stick by pressing the Home button on your remote. Step 2. Using your remote, scroll right and select the settings icon, which looks like a gear at the top of the screen. Step 3. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select My Fire TV or device and software depending on your Fire Stick model. Step 4. Find and click on the Reset to Factory Defaults option from the list of available options. Step 5. A warning message will appear informing you that all data will be erased. Read this carefully as the reset cannot be undone. Step 6. Select Reset to confirm your decision. Your Fire Stick will now begin the factory reset process and will restart automatically. Step 7. Wait for the device to complete the reset. This may take several minutes. Do not unplug the device during this process. Step 8. Once complete, your Fire Stick will boot up to the initial setup screen, just like when you first purchased it. You can now set it up again with your Amazon account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.